smile.
Yeah. Do you see him?
Hey, Eli.
How you like it?
What do you think?
Hi.
What do you think?
I don't like it anymore. He's like shaking his hands. Daddy, this is kind of cool. Think about this. He's making me pee.
Is he making
I
this?
think he's making a sissy.
Yes.
Having fun in the water. You're having fun. Turn around so Nana can see.
Of course,
Aww.
he is a lakey.
Yay! He's like, I'm not sure.
You just want to eat the life jacket, huh? You say hi to everybody?
That goes pretty good.
Say hi.
Hi, Eli. Hey, buddy.
It's on video. He's ready to tune.
Here we go.
He's like, I'm not sure about this, guys.
We got more wet. You're floating.
I was holding on to it barely.
Look, I'm dancing.
His head out of the water. All right, you want to swim back? Let's swim back.
I'll get up first.
Good job.
He didn't do anything, Mom.
Yay. What?
He didn't do
You
anything.
guys, maybe while you're here, we'll be able to leave the
swimming.
boat in and come out here and go one night.
So if you let him go,
We did that last year. They're the coolest lights in here of the night. And we just swam.
Yeah.
It was dark.
We could do that
On
tonight.
4th of July, we didn't go swimming, but on 4th of July,
No, because we can't
we saw
park
the
it
lights.
anywhere.
Yeah.
on there.
Because we have to
yeah.
park the tree.
Hi,
Hey,
Bubba.
Kristen. Kristen. Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Somebody hand me my towel.
I could.
Yeah, thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap myself in the towel before I take him.
Here, do you want this phone? And I can take him for you.
What do you think?
What?
Whoa.
Yes, there's a knot, yes.
Good wave, huh?
Yeah, I
What do you
made sure of that before we left the house.
think? What do you think? Can you float like a big boy? Can you float like a big boy?
Just
Kyle,
look at
can you
him.
take that?
He's floating.
Hi! It's like a big bath. Hi, come here. Come see Mom.
Thanks, Taylor. Well, you know, let's see you.
Oh, yeah. Hi! All right, Aunt Kristen, hand the phone